What do they got here, huh?
Polara Bulldog yellow.
Polara Bulldog yellow, no forest? Yeah, you're right. Polara Engineering. That's cool. Yep, Polara Engineering. Polara Bulldog button. All right, hold on. He wants to see on this side too. It's right there. Where? Over there? What are you pushing this one for? You want to go over there on that side? Don't start. Finish time remaining to finish crossing. Don't cross. Push button to cross. Okay. Well, you want to go on that side or you want to go back there?
That side.
That side, all right. Now he went across the street. There's another Polara. They're all Polara over here. An Oak Forest. We're not going to go that way. We're going to go this way. So we're going to go that way. Now we're on the other side. Oh, and now we're going to cross this way. We're waiting. Hold on. Okay, here we go. We're crossing. We got the white guy. There he goes. Woo! Gotta hurry up too before the storms come. Up! We did a round trip. Thank you, Polara Bulldog buttons. Thank you, Polara. It helped us cross the street.